Someone picked the wrong week to vacation in the Caribbean.
Yeah, Fox 26 reporter Rich Rodriguez explains she and her travel companion spent this 4th riding out Hurricane Beryl in their hotel in Grand Cayman.
Michelle Frontani was looking forward to a relaxing weekend in Grand Cayman. That didn't happen.
We found out that a hurricane's bearing down on us. We already had the plans, so we went ahead and came. Fortunately, the eye of the hurricane hit south of us, so we didn't get the brunt of it.
She and her companion arrived on the island late Monday. They knew Hurricane Beryl was approaching, so Wednesday night, they took a quick nap.
We didn't want to risk being asleep if something major happened. There were surges and everything. So at about midnight, I think is when the storm started coming. And I kept going out and taking videos thinking, oh, this must be it. And then it just got worse and it got worse and it got worse.
As the storm passed through, she says they lost power about 4:30 Thursday morning. Frontani says a hotel withstood the strong winds. Hours later, rain continues.
Like right now, how you saw it was just a torrential downpour. We keep having those pop up like it's a quiet lull, and then those bands keeps coming back around.
The hotel does have a generator, but only a few electrical outlets work. She says roughly 200 remaining guests are standing in line to charge their phones. Frontani has no regrets.
It's still awesome. I love to experience. I mean, I was in Cozumel when Harvey was coming in, and we were flying above that, so we kind of like to live on the edge.
Frontani says there was a lot of flooding around the hotel and debris on the beach. She hopes from now until they leave on Sunday, they can get in some sightseeing. Rich Rodriguez, Fox 26 News.
Michelle Frontani is Director of Business Operations for a mechanical engineering company in Clovis. She says it is back to work next week after her adventure.
I love her attitude, and
Yeah.
you know, vacations are about making memories. Just
She'll
not
have
these
that
kind,
one
but she'll
forever.
have some forever,
Yeah.
that's for sure.